Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I will show you how to make a refreshing Brazilian lemonade, and also show you how to make a beautiful garnish like a pro. I hope you will like this video. So let's go and jump in. Take a medium-sized lemon, and remove the front side. Now carefully cut a half slice, and then cut a full slice from the lemon. Please don't forget to refrigerate it for at least 2 hours before cutting. Perfect. Now give a small cut from the skin to the center of the slice, so that you can fix it on the glass. Now fix the lemon slice on the rim, and put a mint sprig between the gaps so that it looks beautiful. I think now you will be able to make this beautiful garnish very easily at home. So let's go and jump into the mixology. Take a mixing glass, and put 5 to 6 lemon squeezes. After the lemon squeezes, pour 2 ounces or 60 milliliters of simple syrup. Next, pour the same amount of chilled water. Lastly, pour the same amount of condensed milk. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Perfect. Now muddle a little strongly, so that the juice and the oil can come out from the lemon. You can check the description box for the detailed recipe. Perfect. Now add 4 to 5 ice cubes, and shake vigorously. Please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting recipes and mixology tidbits. Take a tall glass of about 14 ounces or 410 milliliters. And then pour about 1/4 ounce of grenadine syrup. And after that, fill it up with lots of ice cubes. Next, pour half of the mixture into the glass. I will be happy if you make this refreshing Brazilian lemonade at home, and share your experience with me. Perfect. Take a bar spoon and slowly stir to create a pinkish hue on the bottom. And if you want a more prominent color, use a little more grenadine syrup. Awesome. Now add about 1/4 ounce of blue curacao. Then shake it perfectly, and slowly pour into the glass. Perfect. The refreshing Brazilian lemonade is now ready. So fix the garnish that we have prepared earlier. Cheers! Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching, Spice Trail. See you soon with another exciting recipe like this. Till then, keep watching.